Is your garage door making more noise than usual, or moving unevenly or jerkily as you try to open or close it? These are common signs that the rollers, which are crucial for smooth operation along the tracks, might be worn or damaged. Continuing to use your garage door in this condition can cause more damage over time. Don't let a small issue turn into a major headache. If you're in the Helensburgh area and experiencing these problems, call us today at 0409 774 111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to restore your garage door to perfect working condition, ensuring it operates smoothly and quietly.